To fix a non-functioning back button on an Android phone, several issues may be the cause, including a software glitch, cache problems, or outdated firmware. Restarting the phone is often a simple solution when a software bug is the culprit, as this can resolve the issue. To try this, press the relevant restart button. Then check if the back button is working after the phone has restarted. If the problem persists, clearing the cache may be necessary, which can be done by switching off the phone, entering recovery mode, and selecting the Wipe Cache option from the list. Additionally, checking for a software update can often resolve the issue, as outdated firmware may be the cause of the problem. To update the firmware, navigate to the Settings, find the Update section, and confirm if an update is available. If so, download and install it. By trying these steps, fixing a non-working back button on an Android phone can be a straightforward process.